It is RB King, and whew, it's a warm one today. So let's go out here and check on the rabbits. I'm just coming in from a work order, and I just kind of want to make sure that they got ice bottles and all that good stuff. We got some new cameras that we're going to be installing in the rabbit tree. And there's Mama. And the babies are sleeping. They are sleeping. Kissing back there. What y'all doing? It's a warm one, so they're kind of out, just laying about. Ooh, look how big you got. Oh man, she might give us 10, y'all. She might give us 10. I don't know how many gonna survive, but look how big and wide Coco is. So she has her water bottle over there. Man. And this is the papa. He got hair in his corner. What you doing? Got hair all in your cage. You're shedding. You're shedding. Did you forget about her?
I didn't know whether to give her an ice cream.
Yeah, they need it. They need it. Go ahead when you give it to her, put it in there next to her if she moves, so she knows what it is. I would say give Bentley one, but he'll chew it up. Stop leaving. See all the flies and stuff that's accumulating. Stop leaving that open. So we finished up the site. Y'all seen some video from the site. I couldn't really show you guys who the customer is, just to protect their business models and things like that. So I was able to show you guys some without because they're not open yet, so now they're branding us up. Oh my goodness, guys. Sorry, I get distracted really easy when it comes to this hydroponics. So we're gonna start putting things down here because I think I'm running out of room. We're gonna start putting things down here that I've grown already and start harvesting some of these. My wife said I should be able to cut. She's gonna show me because I don't want to mess nothing up, but she said I should be able to cut certain parts of it and still let it grow, because my thought was I was just gonna chop it down and and then plant something else there. But I'm thinking I can chop some and then have it still grow. Everything's growing. She's still, I don't know what's going on right here. The oregano and the chives and sage is taking some time. When you get done with that, do me a favor. Get the watering bucket or even just some water. Open the bottom of the owl and put it in the owl. That'll keep it, because normally you put sand, but you can put water in it too. Just make sure you close it back real good. Our little protecting owl and keeping some of the birds away. The smaller birds are not scared of that owl. But I would have came out here to show you guys, actually. We got more pallets from that site. We got more pallets. So we got another black one there. And we're gonna be starting to build this week, Easter weekend. You guys are seeing this way after, or it's getting uploaded way after. Bentley got an ice cube. You got ice? You got ice cubes too? That's for the rabbits. Why you got ice? So yeah, you guys are seeing this way after. So by the time you see it, or by the time this goes live, that should be built completely. Hopefully we can get it done after the holidays for sure. After Easter for sure. What else is the updates? So I want to pull the babies out and see their eyes, but I gotta come out here when they're real active. Look how big Honey is. Or Coco.
Yeah.
She's huge.
You see she's building something.
So I'll get her nest built on Sunday, because she should get a nest box. What does it say? On the 4th. So the 4th is Friday, next Friday. So if we get her a nest box, so yeah, we get it built Sunday, that'll give us enough time just in case. Yeah, because she put a whole hole over there. Wow, look at you guys. Put a whole opening over there. So when we put the box, we'll make sure we'll take this hay and put it in her box. But she has a whole hole over there. For this to be her first time, I'm hoping she's a good mama. I'm hoping she's a good mama. I'm gonna get these fans out here and get them charged. Go take that one and put it in the sun so it can be charged. Hey, that's actually a good way of doing it. Set it out. Just set it on top of the fire pits like that. Same way I said, just set it on top of the fire pit, kind of facing the sun.
Right?
On top of the fire pit.
Right
Yeah, but facing the sun. Set it back the way it was. Set it up. Yep. Turn it. No. Look where the sun is. There you go. There you go. Set it up there and yep. It should be charging. You should see a red light on the back of it if it's charging.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got 3 more of those for everybody to have one. I don't want to put one directly on the babies quite yet, so I might put one this way. So at least she has some. Put it this way. At least she has some good air.
I get vanilla ice.
Yeah, be careful with that, because if he don't eat it, it's just gonna melt. And then we need to pull this back tonight. Sweep all back there, get up all the hay, all this trash that you still leaving down here. All this got to get up, empty out their things again. You can actually empty them out in the raised bed over there. For now, until we figure out our system. But yeah, we got to keep cleaning it because the mice are starting to come for their food. You like that ice, Bentley? You like the ice? Eat. Eat. I ain't giving you a battery. Crazy dog. So yeah, we're ready to put these because they're starting to die actually. Wow. Some of them are starting to die. Up here is good, but they're crowded, so we might actually plant these tonight. You know what I didn't hear is the water. Here, put this on the charger in there. Take the one that's off because I put it on there yesterday. And put that one on. Listen, check the water. I told my wife I need to make myself a little laminate to-do list. So maybe I'll put it in my phone to where I can, oh yeah, I can hear it from here, but it might be low. I have to start checking this water every day. I don't know where one of my buckets went. Checking this water every day because it got low on me. Yeah, see, it's low. So the plants are growing, but they're also using more nutrients. So with them growing, they're using a lot more nutrients. So we don't want them to stop growing, and we just got to keep our system filled. And I got to make sure I'm checking their yeah, see, even the algae is growing in there. So I normally will put some hydrogen peroxide in here, food grade, and it keeps the system clean. As you can see, it's flowing up. These holes are really easy to clean. Just squeeze it and it'll clear out these lines. See, look at that, it's just breaking up. You can see it flowing back up through. I need to pull out the filter and actually clean it. Let's see. So this line, how this algae will come back through and then be in the filter. So the line is clear now, but it's flowing through here. That water is pretty clear as well, but I can tell it's low. So I got some rainwater that we caught that I'm gonna fill this up with. So I'm gonna set you guys down real quick. Hopefully you can see what we're doing. Say what? In the garage on the toolbox. When you walk in, that's the refrigerator and all the batteries. Alright, so yeah, here it goes. Once we move these pallets out, I'll probably end up moving this a little bit out to about right here to line it up. But as you can see, it gets evening sun towards the back. So it gets morning sun and evening sun. So this got all the sun in the morning, and then this side is getting all the sun right now. So yeah, it's flowing. System is flowing real good. I can hear it. Oh man. So yeah, let me get to business and start uploading these videos for y'all so y'all can be a part of this journey. And I won't say real time because we'll probably still be a week to a week and a half behind, but I think we have enough videos to go ahead and upload for at least a good month. So yeah, I think we got at least a good month of rabbit and garden videos. So yeah. Oh, another update on the name. Where's she at? You down here? Another update on the name, you guys. This is, we said, what did we say? So we thought it was Elet. Let's see, one bunny up. No, still don't have her eyes open. They is just all sprawled out. They're getting so big. So we thought it was Elet or Ellie. Then we thought it was Elet. So we finally, my wife this morning was like, yeah, I was watching the show with Johnny. He had me download a app for him, and the character comes from a show called Dr. Panda. It's from Dr. Panda, and the rabbit, or excuse me, not the rabbit, the elephant from the show's name is Olet, and not Elet, but it's Olet. Here's the spelling across the screen. So that's the rabbit's actual name, because Johnny named the rabbit. His card got pulled out the hat, so that's the rabbit's name, Olet, or however it's spelled there. But yeah, so we done went through 3 variations of names, and we're finally ready to get her in the system as one of our rabbits. So there you go. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna want to check the pH on that system, and then the baby's mommy's jumping. So we'll see what's going on with that. Get them clean, get their cages cleaned out. Hi, mama. Oh, you're up. You're up. You wanna play? I see you jumping. Oh, you're up. Huh? You want some? You want some food? You want some food? We'll get you some good Timothy hay. How about that? How about some good Timothy hay, huh? All right. So we'll get her some. Actually, some right here. I'll get her a handful of Timothy hay. Get her a handful of Timothy hay that needs to be closed. Here, you want some hay? Want some hay? You want some hay? Yeah. You want some Timothy hay? Yeah. That's a good mama. All right. Let's get you some hay. Let's get you some hay. Here. There you go. Enjoy you some hay. Get some hay. Enjoy your hay. She is such the sweetest animal. Alright. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Seeing me walk through my job site. Seeing the growth of the rabbits. Seeing the growth of our hydroponics garden. It's one thing I do want to tell you guys. If you don't have the space to think that you can have a huge garden, like we bought that turf there. And it's pretty good turf. It's but we paid a pretty penny for that. We could have literally had that all pulled up, all the grass that was there, and just did a full garden back there. And hindsight being 2020, that's what I would have did if I had the choice to change it right now. So if you don't have the space, don't worry about it. You can put a hydroponics, what I like about that system, and you can build it yourself, but if you buy one from Amazon like we did, you could put that hydroponics on a balcony, and all you need is a little bucket, 6 or 13 little gallon small bucket, water, some nutrients, some seeds, and there you have it. Give it about a month, and you'll have a full plate for about a good week or two of vegetables. And what's good about that is once I do trim it, it's gonna grow back in another 2 weeks or so. So we should have constant salads for a good couple months growing until everything else is grown. And Lord willing, when we get our promised land, oh man, I'm talking a good maybe an acre to 2 of just farm. All right, so it's RB King signing out, saying glory to God for it all.
That seeks his will with knees that kneel, praying to the Father regardless of how I feel. I'm amazed at how he washed my sins. When them heaven gates open, hopes to march right in. This is critical. My life was very pitiful. I'm still climbing. I haven't reached that pinnacle. I'm not the same. I still got flaws, and I know I fall short when I look at God's laws. I'm walking now, my little steps adding up, and up since I used to deal with, now I'm passing up. I'm in awe, look how far I've come, and he still loves me no matter what I've done.
Don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow has worries for itself. Live for the day and think about now. And when you get far, don't forget to turn around and look what the Lord has done.